Hello YouTube, it's me. I'm gonna do some burping video. I got really high views on it last time, so I'm gonna do it again because I can't remember my old password. So I'm gonna try to redo the videos. A couple of them I can't do, but yeah. So here I go. Hold on, I need to go get a drink. Alright, here I go. Oh, that was sweet. Hold on, go get another drink. Something fresh. Okay, I'm back. Stocked pepper, by the way, but here. Whoa. That's all for now, YouTube. Like, subscribe, whatever. No nasty comments, please.